Headquartered at Uttara Dhaka and with factory premises at Zirani Gazipur, at Jazhor Gazipur and at Zirabo Bazar, Srawar. Iris Group is a most modern, fully vertical knit garments, lingerie and sweater manufacturer and exporter from Bangladesh. The group has 5 units now, geared with the state-of-the-art technology. But the group got started with Mark Style, a buying house, back in the year 1997. Growing over time, catering to the buyer's need, Iris moved to evolve gradually, establishing manufacturing units also. And this way, by now, it is a very highly configured composite group engaged in fancy, light and heavy knit apparel manufacturing and exporting. Iris has made its premises fully purpose-built. It has captive gas burn power backup system capable of meeting its entire electricity need in case supply from national grid trips. It has boilers having individual capacity up to 10 tons. Iris's 1600 cubic meters a day capacity effluent treatment plant treats and cleanses its industrial wastewater chemically and biologically. Soon, its capacity is going to be upgraded to about 4,000 cubic meters a day. The water Iris intake through its Jeep tube well is passed through water treatment plant to remove ions and other toxic contents to make it ideal for use in dyeing, finishing, washing and all other processes. Besides, Iris premises have huge loading-unloading bays and ample of setback and movement spaces around. Iris operates in regular knit, heavy knit and lingerie production. In heavy knit, Iris produces superb quality sweaters and pullovers made of all fibers and their blends in wool, acrylic and cotton in the ranges of formal, fashion and casual categories for all of age groups and gender segments. Iris produces any type of light or regular knit items as demanded by its valued buyers in formal, fashion and casual categories for all of age groups and gender segments. It produces premium quality regular and value-added lingerie items also. The group started its apparel journey with its heavy knit projects at Zirabo, Srawar back in 2003. Though the initial unit of the group, it has been founded following the factory specifications that strictly conform to all of compliance and high productivity standards without compromise. And this heavy knit premises has been upgraded constantly. It has now 200 jacquard machines. Its technology conforms to world standards always. Now, it produces about 200,000 pieces of high-quality sweaters and pullovers a month. Ever since inception, Iris's premium quality sweater and pullover units have been running successfully, on a steeper growth path smoothly. The founders ventured out to diversify into light, that is, regular knit industry, and therefore, in the year 2004, they established this premise at Zirani Bazar, Gazipur. It hosts 2 composite knit factories, together with a lingerie unit as well. Responding to the growing demand from its valued buyers, Iris has expanded its most modern regular unit operation at Jazhor, Gazipur also. The fabric section of Iris's light knit division uses contemporarily most advanced flat knitting machines, as well as circular knitting machines. It has auto collar machines also. Iris produces 35 tons of grey knit fabrics per day. Its completely environment-friendly dyeing unit, having state-of-the-art machinery and technology, is capable of tubular and open-width fabric dyeing. Iris has got tubular compacting machine, open-width compactor machine, stenter machine, and all other cutting-edge dyeing machinery and technologies. And of course, the fabric finishing section has the most modern machinery lines. Iris produces 30 tons of finished knit fabrics every day. It has a very sophisticated laboratory equipped with highly calibrated washing fastness, pH, sample drying, spectrophotometer, pilling test, infrared dyeing, and many other testing machines. It conducts test protocols to ensure dyeing quality to conform to the highest standard and to check for the dyestuffs to have no harmful impact on human health. Its washing facility can wash 15,000 pieces per day. All types of knit fabrics that are being produced here. To name a few, these are fleece, polar fleece, 1x1 as well as 2x2 rib, drop needle, interlock, etc. Iris has very carefully chosen master tailors who have exposure and access to the latest international design concepts. They are capable of ensuring identical reproduction of the approved samples. It has cutting-edge CAD and CAM facilities as well. Backed with its hottest computerized marking system and cutting room solutions, Iris has successfully thrived to ensure maximum utilization of fabrics. It has fabric spreading, automatic laying, fusing, and all other cutting room machines and devices. Iris has a latest embroidery facility now running at 1.2 million stitches a day. Equipped with Octopus heat press and several other printing facilities, Iris has a 60,000 pieces per day capacity printing unit. It can print in multiple colors. However, Iris's garmenting facility is equipped with the world-class brand machinery, having contemporary and ahead-of-the-time devices. It has 3,060 sewing machines in 102 lines. It has strapping, cover stitch, double chain stitch, picketing and faggoting, fed of the arm, and all other special types of modern sewing machines as well, to ensure tailoring perfection and excellence. At present, its production capacity is equivalent to 3.4 million pieces of t-shirts per month. Its apparel finishing section has necessary equipment and devices. Conforming to its group standard practices for machinery, technology and everything else, Iris produces premium quality undergarments as well. Per month, it is producing about 1.4 million pieces of very high quality lingerie items here at the Zirani Bazar premise. However, be it heavy knit, light knit or lingerie operation, no matter, Iris applies a constant vigilant surveillance to hit the quality target at AQL 1.5 on way to reaching the ultimate zero rejection and redo level within a couple of years from now on. For QC representatives of its buyers, Iris has dedicated room facilities equipped with open width fabric inspection machine, tubular fabric inspection machine, light shade and pull test machines, etc. Iris conforms to CT-PAT procedure in packing and cartooning its finished products meant for export. All these products are bound for buyers well spread across Europe and Scandinavia, North and South America, and Australia as well. Its clientele is studded with some of the very big names like H&M, Kmart, Next, Target, Lindex, Cariban, MC Yadra, Kapal, MS Mode, Coolcat, Lidl, TACO, LPP, Joe and Flow, DPAM, Bisbee, Install SPA and Proxima SRL, Eurodiff, etc. Shipments are monitored under net-connected vehicle tracking system. Altogether, comprised of light lingerie and heavy knit products, Iris exported apparel worth nearly $70 million in 2014. Export is expected to cross $100 million in 2016. Continually registering a sheer growth year over year, Iris projects further growth in its export. And therefore, it is on a rigorous expansion schedule now. It is upgrading and expanding its dyeing unit further, and it is expanding its other operations across the board also. One of the most powerful success factors of Iris is its nearly 8,000 dedicated workforce contingent. Iris commits resources and time in training and development as well as awareness building for them. For having a highly satisfied and motivated workforce, it maintains an ideal working environment conforming local and international rules and conventions, and a high level of industrial relations, rather more accommodative than the required legal and conventional periphery applied. Regularly ACORD inspected for fire, electric and structural security and integrity, Iris has underground water reservoirs for firefighting. Their aggregate capacity is 550,000 gallons. It has all other measures like fire pumps with the capacity up to 1,000 GPM. It has water hydrant system, sprinkler, fire door and window, smoke detector, manila roof and the likes. And of course, Iris conducts firefighting training and evacuation drill regularly. It can be mentioned that buildings of Iris Group are accordingly tested for structural integrity and safety by appropriate and competent bodies regularly. Given the working environment and workers' benefits here, the Labour Ministry of the Government of Bangladesh has awarded Iris as the top worker-friendly knit factory in the country for the year 2010. Iris regularly takes part in training programs like Better Work Bangladesh (BWB), Benefit of Business and Worker (BBW), Innovative for Poverty Action (IPA), and H&M Social Dialogue Project, etc. However, the main architects behind the success of Iris Group, its founders, are extensively experienced in marketing and clientele service, as well as in production and export operation. They have grouped and groomed up to be a band of result-oriented, committed and sincere management people to serve their clients better, always on the global stage. To steadily win the trust and conscience of the world market as a socially and ethically responsible corporate citizen, however, Iris has all through been achieving social, ethical and quality certificates and recognitions highly lauded among the global communities. And of course, the group upholds its price leadership as well as on-time delivery commitments as part of unfaltering Iris standards, maintained ever since it made its first ever export back in 2003. Yes, Iris values its buyers as its true market ambassadors and partners in development.